Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Suthar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. Let's continue with the series of Power BI. Today in this video, I will explain pie chart in the Power BI. Let's move to the screen. So first we are going to open the Power BI desktop application. So hit the Windows button and write down here Power BI desktop. Application will appear on the top of the list. Just click on the icon and it will open in a moment. So here is the pop-up window. From the pop-up window, I will access the recently created chart. You can prefer to create a new one by escaping the pop-up window and go to the canvas. So I will click on the recently created Power BI desktop file. And it is here, my recently created Power BI desktop file. It is open here and I can see I have loaded 3 data sets that available here, and this is the pie chart I have created for the explaining purpose. And yeah, we will create a same in a moment. So I will just remove this one for the time being. Okay, in the pie chart we will see the allocation of the category with the values. So first I will click anywhere in the blank area of the canvas, go to the visualization, build visual and the charts, and here is the pie chart. I will just click on the pie chart, blank chart pop up on the canvas. It is showing the blank chart. Now in the blank chart we are going to provide the data. So provide the data, we will use supermarket sale data. Here we are able to provide the data is legend, values, details. So first in the legend, what we will do, we will include the product category and it is blank, but we can see the legend appear here. In the values, we will provide the gross sale value, and here our basic pie chart is ready. So this chart is showing that what is the contribution of each product line, and with the value and percentage we can see here in the data labels. So and with the color we can see the orange is representing the food and beverage. We can just hover the cursor on the color and we can see food and beverage, sports and travel, electronic accessories, fashion accessories, home and lifestyle, and health and beauty. Now this is our simple chart is ready. We can go for the formatting part. So I will click on the format your visual, and we can see here the visuals currently inside the visual we can format those things. So legend currently available on the center right. You can put the legend anywhere from the available options. So I will bring it to the bottom center. Okay, that's fine. Or if you don't want to include, you can just remove it as well, but I will let it be. For the title of the legend is a product line title. I'm fine with that. I will not change it. You can change it. For the text formatting, you can go in the text formatting and do the text formatting here for the legends as well. So that's all for the legend. Move to the slicer. It's showing the color of each category that we have included. If you want to change the color of any of the category, that you can perform it here. I will just keep it default. I'm fine with that. In the slicer there is only a color option. Detail label, we can see current label available is a value and percentage of the total. Now it is available on the outside. You can prefer to change the position of the labels. You can bring it to inside, prefer outside, prefer inside. I will let it outside. We can do more thing here. Label contents. So currently our label included the data value and percentage of the total. Here the more options available for the label that you can feel free to explore. For the time being, I will just include all detail in the label and we will see. So when I include all detail in the label, we can see the category name available here, total value available here for the category, and the percentage of the total available here. That's all detail available in the labels. For the value, we can do the text formatting here. So currently it is we can change the font, we can make it bold or change the font size. That we can perform it here. We can change the color of the font as well. Display unit, currently display available in the 1000 because it's auto. If you want to change another display unit, you can feel free to go to display unit and change it to 1000, million, billion as per the need. Decimal, that's also we can change with whether we can increase decrease the decimal. And the percentage decimal, that's also we can increase or decrease depend on the requirement. I will just hide it. I will let it auto. For the rotation, what is showing currently is 0%. If you're going to rotate, so it is just going to change the position of the category from depend on the rotation. So let's try it. So here 180-degree, and we can see our food and beverage category move from top to the top right to the bottom left. So this way we can change the rotation, but I will just let it 0% auto default. This all configuration we can change in the visual. Now we go to the chart area and perform some we go to the chart area and perform some configuration. So for the title, I will just current title is available sum of gross income by product line. I will remove the sum and do it gross income by product line. I will bring it to center. That's fine. I don't want to include any subtitle, but I will include a divider to keep separate the chart area and the title area. Now I will go to the effect, and I will include a background is a light gray. That's I always keep. A visual border, I will include the visual border. I will include a shadow as well. But visual border, I will expand it and go to the rounded corner. I will make it let's say 30%, and click anywhere outside of the chart area in the blank area of the canvas. And we will see here our complete pie chart is ready. So pie chart is the representation of the we can provide a total value and allocation by the different category inside the total value. For our current data set, it is available total value distributed for the each category of the product line. It can be distributed for the branch. It can be distributed for the CT as well. It can distribute for the gender as well, that you can feel free to perform. Now I will click on the chart and click here. So here one more thing we can include is a detail. So currently we have included the category is the product line. In the details, let's try to include more is a gender and see what going to happen. So once we include the gender category in the detail, then we can see that each product line has divided for the detail of the gender. So in the gender, we are having the two category, male and female. When we hover the cursor on the orange color, that represented the food and beverage category, and inside the food and beverage category we provided the detail is a male and female gender, and we can see the value of the each subcategory and the percentage of the total as well. So this way we can add the more category and split our data with the possible category available in the data set. So this is that's all for the pie chart, and we can see our pie chart is completely ready with the details as well. So I hope you like the today's tutorial. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.